Hello students, welcome to virtual social science class. Today we are going to learn a lesson from social and political life part 1 of class 6 NCERT understanding diversity. Okay? Now suppose मैं आपसे कहती हूँ कि एक कार्टून की पिक्चर बनाई, ओके? तो आप क्या करेंगे? आप कोई डोरेमोन के पिक्चर बनाएंगे, कोई पोकीमोन, कोई सुपरमैन, कोई डोरा, या तो कोई अलग अलग जो कार्टून का जो पिक्चर्स होते हैं वो बनाएंगे. तो इट शोज देयर इज ए डिफरेंट, ओके? एंड अभी और सेम केस आप अगर सपोज यू इमेजिन दैट your mama is giving the same food 1 week, what will happen? You will get bored. Or if you wear the same dress, that also you are getting bored. Okay, same case, there is a different, okay, means you need a variety. So this variety means diversity. Okay, so today our topic is, what do you understand by diversity? What do you understand by diversity? Okay, now I already told you that a variety that is we call diversity. See, suppose you are looking to the rainbow. The rainbow, it has different colors. It look nice. If it is the same, if it is all are in same color, only the black color, that means you are not interested to see that rainbow. Okay, same case, there is a variety or different is there. So now the actual meaning of diversity means the quality or state being different or varied. We must therefore understand that and respect the fact that each individual is unique and therefore different. Different that can be in terms of race, gender, religious or political beliefs and so on. Okay, now diversity, you can see that India is a diverse country. There are lots of people are there. In India we are living in a country like India, have different religion, different festival, different people are different peoples. They wear different clothes, different race. This we call diversity. Okay, now they wear different clothes, speak different language, belong to cultural background and religion. So why, see, clothes means, if you see, India is a country of 28 states and 8 union territory. If you look at Jammu and Kashmir, the people used to wear Kashmiri dress. Okay, come to Rajasthan, they have langa. Okay, now come to Madhya Pradesh, the ladies used to wear sari. Okay, again we come to the West Bengal. Go to West Bengal, you can see they wear dhoti. Now come to the southern side, most of the men used to wear the shirts and lungi, and even the ladies used to wear sari. आप ये देख सकते हैं, there is a difference, a variety is there. That means a diversity. The same thing. They speak different languages. और लोग दूसरे different languages. जैसे आप कश्मीर में जाएंगे, they will talk about Kashmiri. If you come to Punjab, Punjabi. राजस्थान, राजस्थानी. Same case in southern parts. अगर आप दक्षिण भारत में आएंगे, तमिलनाडु, that is Tamil, Kerala, Malayalam, Karnataka, Kannada. Like this, you see, north. If you go to the northeast, most of the people used to sing that in English and their own languages. This is, you can see the varieties. Okay, same case. If you go to the religion also, it has the different. Go to the Kashmir, you see lots of people are Muslims. Okay, come to the Rajasthan, the western part and the central part of the India, that is Madhya Pradesh. These all people are belonging to Hindu. Come again, if you go to the Punjab, that area, you can get Sikh people. Okay, so in the northeast also you can see Christians, and the southern side Christians and Hindu. There is a mix of the varieties is there. So same. So you can see that there's a diversity. Okay, we are talking about the diversity. So again, I'm telling you the different festivals that are celebrating in our country. That is, if we say Muslims celebrating Eid, Christians Christmas, Hindu Diwali, Dashera, like that difference is there. Okay, same case if you see the dance also, in that there's a difference. If you see to the Punjab, Bhangra, Rajasthan, Rajasthani, when you are Manipur, if you see Manipuri, come to the southern part, you can see Kathakali, Bharatnatyam, like that different dances also there. So India is a land of different religion also. You can see that is Hinduism, Jainism, Sikh, Christianity, Buddhism. There are different religions also. Okay, coming to this, by now you must have recognized that there are many ways that we are quite different, and same in the same case there are, if you look at the classmates also, they are different from each other. You can notice in the classroom also, some children are small, some are big, some have curly hair, some are straight hair, some have brown eyes, some have black eyes. You see difference are, but they are friends. Okay, coming to this, we have a story that is making friends. Now I'll tell you the story about two boys. Okay, a small ragged boy who sold newspapers at Janpat crossing at busy intersection. Okay, every time the big boy passed, the small boy run after him. Okay, now एक story है, एक कहानी है दो बच्चों के, जो एक पुराना फटा पुराना कपड़ा पहना और एक छोटा लड़का और एक बड़ा लड़का जो हर वक्त साइकिल में रहते हैं, और उन लोग कहाँ पर मीट होते हैं? जनपद क्रॉसिंग सिग्नल लाइट के वहाँ पर वो लोग मिलते हैं. ओके, और ये जो छोटा बच्चा है वो हर वक्त अपने हाथ में क्या पकड़ते हैं? इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर. ओके ना, और वो स्क्रीन करते चिल्लाते हुए इवनिंग जो हेडलाइंस है, मिक्सचर ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, वो जो हेडलाइंस बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ दिस टाइम दैट बिग बॉय स्टॉप इन द फुटपाथ एंड आस्क फॉर हिंदी पेपर. ओके, नाउ ये बड़ा लड़का क्या करता है? वो फुटपाथ के वहाँ खड़ा होते हैं और उससे पूछता है मुझे हिंदी पेपर चाहिए. Now, you mean you know Hindi? This small boy is asking to the big boy that you mean you know Hindi also? He asks. Okay. अब ये पूछते हैं क्या आपको हिंदी भी पता है? Now, of course, I said I paid for Hindi paper also. Now, बड़ा लड़का बोलता है हाँ मैं हिंदी पेपर का पे करता हूँ. Okay. Now, why? What do you think? और बड़ा लड़का उससे पूछता है क्या? तो ये थोड़े वक्त के लिए वो चुप रहता है. Or he said to that big boy that you are अंग्रेज. Okay, now you mean even you can read Hindi. वो बड़ा छोटा लड़का सोचता है कि आप अच्छा से वेल ड्रेस है तो आपको खाली अंग्रेज आता होगा, मगर आपको हिंदी भी आता है. I can speak Hindi and English also. This is one of the subject in my school. तो अभी ये लड़का पूछता है सब्जेक्ट ये क्या होता है? Okay, now subject that I taught in the classroom. Okay, now usi thode hi waqt, okay, what happens? See, well, sometime talking to each other, green lights change and they both departed. Okay, green lights का green lights आता है और दोनों क्या होता है? चला जाता है. Next day he was there again. The small boy was again smiling at me, holding the Hindi paper. Bhaiya, he said, आपका अखबार है, बताइए कि सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ है. ओके, द इंग्लिश वर्ड साउंडेड स्ट्रेंज ऑन हिज टंग. अभी नेक्स्ट डे फिर उन लोग दोनों मिलते हैं वह छोटा जो लड़का है बड़ा लड़का से बहुत हंसते हुए बोलता है कि भैया ये आपका ये अखबार, वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं आपका अखबार। तो अब उससे पूछे अभी बताइए अंग्रेज ये जो सब्जेक्ट क्या चीज़ होता है। नाउ यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट, ओके। नाउ व्हाई, बिकॉज he is not going to the school, okay. Now he is not going to the school, so the word subject is not familiar with him. Now okay, now just something to study, and then he because of the red light had come, I asked him, have you ever been to school? Never, he answered, and he added proudly, I began working when I was so high. Okay, now what happened, the red light again changed. Now red light was there, तो रेड लाइट था, तब अगेन वो छोटा बड़ा लड़का से पूछता क्या तुम स्कूल नहीं गए? तो ये लड़का बोलता नहीं मैं स्कूल कभी, और बहुत प्राउडली फील होते, बहुत घमंड से बोलता नहीं मैं कभी स्कूल नहीं गया। तो ये बोलते कि पहले ये दिस वन द फर्स्टली माई मदर यूज टू कम विथ मी बट आई कैन डू इट अलोन नाउ। वो बोलते कि पहले जब मैं अखबार बेचने आता था तो मेरी माँ मेरे साथ रहती थी, अभी मेरी माँ मेरे साथ नहीं रहते। सो जो द बिग बॉय इज आस्किंग वेयर इज योर मदर नाउ, ओके। नाउ आई आस्क्ड बट देन द लाइट चेंज एंड आई वाज ऑफ। आई heard from somewhere behind me, she is in Meerut. Then the rest was drawn up. Okay, now this is the story how, see, उसके मम्मी, तो लड़का बड़ा लड़का उससे पूछता है कि आपकी मम्मी अभी कहाँ पर है? तो बोलता है कि वो मेरी मम्मी अभी मीरठ में है। ओके, अगेन वो लाइट चेंज होता है क्योंकि उनका बातचीत कहाँ पर होता है, वो जो ट्रैफिक सिग्नल के वहाँ पर होता है हर वक्त, तो वहाँ पर वो लाइट चेंज होता है और नेचुरली वो जो बात वहीं पर कट जाता है। नाउ यहाँ पर अगेन माई नेम इज समीर, he said the next day. Now next day again they meeting and he is introducing himself, the big boy is introducing himself and saying that my name is Samir, and he is very shyly he asks what's your, okay, it was incredible, my bicycle wobbled means now here से तो ना बड़ा लड़का भी इसको अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हुए बोलते हैं कि मेरा नाम समीर है, ओके, एंड व्हाट्स योर्स, ओके। तब वो जैसे बोलते समय उसका साइकिल गिरने वाला है, तो माई नेम इज समीर टू। अब ये छोटा लड़का भी क्या बोलता है, मेरा नाम भी समीर टू है। नाउ व्हाट इज आई लिव्स, वो थोड़ा हंसते हुए देखिए भी ये बड़ा वाला लड़का बोलता है इट्स अनदर नेम ऑफ हनुमान्स फादर, यू नो। नाउ ये जो फर्स्ट वाला जो लड़का है जो साइकिल में हर वक्त रहता है, वो क्या है, उसका पापा का नाम क्या है, हनुमान, दिस मीन्स इज बिलोंगिंग्स टू हिंदू, ओके। नाउ द सेकेंड बॉय सेड माय नेम इज आल्सो समीर। नाउ समथिंग लाइक दैट आई आंसर्ड एंड देन आई हेल्ड आउट माय हैंड्स, हाथ मिलाओ समीर दो, his hands nested in mine like a little bird, I could still feel its warmth as I'm cycling away. Now दोनों का नाम दोनों ने इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया, दोनों का नाम क्या है, समीर, ओके। नाउ दे आर सेइंग दैट यू आर समीर एक, तुम समीर एक हो और मैं समीर दो, और दोनों क्या करते हैं, हाथ मिलाते हुए, और ओके। फिर क्या होता है, वहाँ से अगेन वो लोग चला जाता है। नेक्स्ट डे he do not have his usual smile for me, okay. There is a trouble in Meerut, he said, many people been killed and there is in riots. I looked at the headlines of communal riots. अभी now next day दोबारा दूसरे दिन फिर मिलते हैं, और मिलने के टाइम वो जो छोटा समीर है, that is समीर दो, वो बहुत ही दुखी फेस में, मीन्स बहुत दुखी रहता है। क्यों? क्योंकि उसने कहा कि मीरठ में क्या हुआ है, दंगा हुआ, ओके, दंगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पर क्यों हम लोग मुस्लिम से, तो कम्युनल जाति के बीच में दंगा हुआ है, ओके। नाउ द समीर बिगैन say now he is telling that I am Muslim. He said his answer and all my peoples are in Meerut. His eyes filled with tears and when I touched his shoulder he would not look up. ओके, अभी वो बहुत दुखी है क्योंकि उनका पेरेंट्स और फैमिली सब वहीं पर है एंड देयर इज ए दंगा, तो क्या हो जाता है नेचुरली आप लोगों को भी दुखी लगे सब। अभी आपके फैमिली में अगर कोई इंसिडेंट में ऐसे रहते हैं तो आपको क्या हो जाता है, दुखी लगता है, तो उसको भी दुख। तो ये लड़का क्या, उसके जैसे बोलते वक्त के उनके आंखों में क्या आ जाता है, आंसू आ जाता है, और वो जो समीर एक है उसके शोल्डर, उसके कंधे पर हाथ रखता है, मगर वो उसको नोटिस नहीं करता। ओके, नाउ ही वाज नॉट एट क्रॉसिंग द डे आफ्टर, ओके, नाइदर द डे after nor ever again, and no newspaper in English or Hindi. Okay, now this is the story. You can find that this is the two boys, that is Samir Ek and Samir Do. You can say then there's a question, name the three ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do is different. Okay, now we can see there's a difference between both of them. Samir Ek is going to school, whereas Samir Do is not going to school. Samir Ek is a rich boy and Samir Do is a poor boy. Samir Ek he knows English and Hindi, whereas Samir Do he knows only Hindi. Okay, now you see, in spite that Samir Ek and Samir Do both have communicate each other and they made efforts, and now they are different religion, different cultural background. Okay, such this aspect of diversity. Okay students, we have listened the story about Samir Ek and Samir Do. There are three differences we can identify. The first one is, you can see, the Samir Ek goes to school, whereas the Samir Do does not go to school. Samir Ek is a rich boy, whereas Samir Do is a poor boy, whereas Samir Ek is a Hindu and Samir Do is a Muslim. You can see still both of them are friends. These all difference are the aspect of diversity. Samir Ek and Samir Do have many differences. You can see, मैंने जो story अभी आपको बताया उसमें दोनों में भिन्नता है, कोई अमीर है तो कोई गरीब है, एक स्कूल जाता है और एक स्कूल नहीं जाता है, एक हिंदू है एक मुस्लिम है, ये दोनों में डिफरेंसेस है। ये जो डिफरेंसेस, दिस डिफरेंसेस आर द रीजन फॉर इनइक्वालिटी। इनइक्वालिटी मीन्स असमानता। असमानता कब आता है? जब एक व्यक्ति को उसका जो संसाधन और जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगा नहीं दूसरे के प्रति, तभी हम असमानता कहते हैं। असमानता जो हमारे पुराने जो एंशिएंट टाइम से आ रहा है। ओके, नाउ जस्ट नाउ आई टोल्ड यू द डिफरेंसेस आर द रीजन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी। दिस डिफरेंस बोथ आर सेम बट दोनों में अंतर है। ये अंतर क्या लेके आता है? असमानता लेके आता है। तो असमानता मैंने ऑलरेडी बोल चुका है। Inequality means comes when a person does not have the resource and the opportunity that are available to other persons. Now, there is another example, that is the caste system. Another example we can see the caste system. Caste system is another example of inequality. Now, what is mean by caste system? The caste system we termed as Dalit. Dalit in terms of the people belonging to a lower caste. We call them as a Dalit. They also refers as untouchable. They refers as untouchable. The Dalit means those who have been broken. The government refers them as a scheduled caste. Okay, children. Now let's go to the next topic. That is, what does diversity adds to our lives? We already seen the story about Samir Ek and Samir Do. They have lot of differences. Now see differences. The different people makes a diversity. Okay, diversity in terms of food, festivals, clothes and languages. अगर आप देखा जाएगा उस from Jammu Kashmir से लेके Kanyakumari, that is in Chennai, you can see there are different languages the people are speaking. The taste of food also different. They are celebrating different festivals. They are wearing the style of the clothes also different. They are speaking different languages. This shows that this says that diversity gives us a uniqueness. Okay. Now the diversity makes our world beautiful. If you look, see, अगर हमारे schools के friends से अगर देखेंगे तो कोई बच्चों को एडवेंचर स्टोरी पसंद है। अगर सेम केस इफ यू सी द अदर चिल्ड्रन, कोई बच्चे को एकदम साइलेंट एकदम इमोशनल स्टोरी पसंद है, मीन्स इट शोज द डिफरेंस. Okay students, coming to our next topic, diversity in India. Okay, India is a country of diversity, but most of the things are similar, only we do in a different manner. The first point we can see the different way in which people pray. So here we can see the Christian goes to the church, okay, for to pray. The Muslim, they goes to the mosque to do their namaz. Where the Hindu people, they goes to the temple to pray. The same, the Sikh people, they goes to the Gurdwara and read the Gurubani. Okay. Now come to the next point. The different way in which people get married. The same thing, the Christian guys get married in the churches. The Hindu in the temple, whereas the Muslims, they used to go to the mosque and doing the marriage way. And so in some cases, they are doing the signing in the register in the front of the court. And the next, the different way in which people dresses. If you go to Kerala, the people wears the white, the example of the gents, they wear the white shirt and white lungis. Come to the Kerala, in Punjab, the people used to wear the pagdi and the dresses. Same case in West Bengal, if you go, the people used to wear the dhoti, kurta, and even if you go to Chennai, the ladies, they wear the saris. If you go to the northern side, the ladies used to wear the salwar kameez, okay. And here, if you come to the western part, that is in Rajasthan, they used to wear lehengas. Like that, we can see there is a difference in the wearing style of dresses also. Same case, if you see how the different way in which the people greet each other. In Hindu, they say namaskar. In the Muslim people, they say adab, assalamu alaikum. The Christians, they say hello, praise the Lord. Sikh people say sat sri akal. So this is the way the people greet each other. We can see differences. They have uniqueness is there. Okay. Now same case, the different way the people cook the rice. If you see, some people mix all the vegetables to make the biryani, okay. Some people make a plain rice. Like that, we can see the differences in this way of cooking the rice also, okay. So we can see that in India also there is a different states, all the people have at different cities. So we say there is a diversity there. So I think you understand the topic very well. Now we'll continue this chapter, the rest of the topic in the next class. Before ending this topic, I like to ask some of the questions relating as a home assignment. You can do it in your home. The first question like this: to which religion does Samir Do belongs? Okay, option are like this: Muslims, Hindu, Sikh. Now my second question: what does Samir Do do? Goes to school, sells newspaper, works at the tea stall. Third question: what shows that India is a country of many diversity? The options are: different languages are spoken, have different religious practices, celebrate different festivals. Okay. Now the fourth question like this: Samir Ek is more familiar with dash. Samir Do speaks Hindi. Now Urdu, English, French. Okay. The fifth question: which language does Samir Do speak? English, Hindi, Sanskrit. Okay, well student, I hope you understand the first topic which I taught you today. Do all the assignment given to you. We will continue our next topic in your next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.